Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Sometimes we need to combine the data from two or more different cells into one cell or different columns to one column. So in this video we are going to learn exactly that. So be with me till end of this video and you will get to know everything about combining data from different cells, different columns in one particular column of a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So let's start. Here I have a sample data in this worksheet. The sample data first column is year, then we have country, then we have name of the artist and the name of the song. So this is just a sample data. This is nothing to do with actual songs and artist, country, all these things. So let me show you how do we combine. Let's first understand what is the simplest way of combining the data. Let's say I want to combine the data from this cell, let me highlight, and this cell. So I want to combine these two. I want to combine year and country. So what I want is I want first the year and the country. So how can I do that? So let me go to the cell where I want the combined data, and here we will use a function called concat. So press equals to and type concat. So this is the function which we use to combine data from two different cells. It's called concat. And first we will give the reference of the cell, the data of that cell we want first. In our combined data we will give the reference of that cell first. So let me take the country first. I want the country to appear first, and then comma, I want the year to come after that, and press enter. So here you can see it has combined these two cells, Lithuania and 2002. If you want this to repeat for the entire columns, you need to simply go to the right bottom corner of this cell, and here let me zoom in. Here you see this little square. This is called fill handle. So when you hover your mouse over this fill handle, your mouse changes to a normal dark plus sign. Normally it is this kind of a big white plus sign, but it changes to a normal plus sign. So when you are on this one, double click, and that's it. It is combined for the whole column. Okay, let's do one more step ahead. What we want is we want a space in between. If we want a space in between, then how should we do? Let me undo this. Okay, so let me again use the same function, equals to concat, and then we want the country first, then comma, whatever data you want in between, a fixed text or space or a symbol, number, anything that has to be given in inverted commas. Okay, so if I want a space, I will start a inverted comma, I'll give a space, and then I will give one more inverted commas, and then hit comma, and it asks you for the next text. So next text is year. Okay, this is done. Let me press enter, and here you can see there is a space between Lithuania and 2002. This is what we wanted, and let me copy this to for the whole column. Just double click here on the fill handle, and that's it, it is done. Okay, is there any other simpler way of doing this? If you do not remember this formula, what to do? So there is another way. I'm going to show you the other way also. Let me undo again, and this time we will do for all these 4 columns. We will combine the data in all these 4 columns with different text in between. So let us say I want to write a sentence out of this, like song Love was sung by artist Susha Son in 2002 in Lithuania. We want to write a sentence like this here. Okay, so we will write that sentence, and we are going to use a different way than concat formula. You can of course do with this concat formula also, but if you do not remember this formula, then simply remember this ampersand sign. This ampersand sign is appears with shift 7. When you press shift 7 in your Windows keyboard, it will show you an ampersand sign. Okay, so we are going to use this ampersand sign joins the data from left and right of this sign. Okay, so press equals to, then give the reference of the first word what you want. So I want song love. So song is a common word which is going to appear in all the sentences, so I will enclose it between inverted commas, and let me write song and then comma, and what we want is of course we want a space, so let me give a space with song, and then we will hit ampersand sign. So this ampersand sign is going to combine the song with the next reference what we give. So we want this name here, name of the song. Okay, so it will read as song love, ampersand again, and then let me write inverted commas, give a space because we want the space after the name song also, space was sung by space inverted commas close ampersand, the name of the artist is Susha Son, so we give the reference of this column where the name of the artist appear, and then again ampersand, and this time let me start another inverted commas with a space and write in which country, in inverted commas close, then ampersand sign, and say in Lithuania, reference of that country column, then again ampersand sign and inverted commas space in space in which year. So this time we are going to say inverted ampersand year. So you can see the complete sentence framed here in form of a formula combining all these data which we have entered here manually and the references what we have given from the table, and everything is separated by an ampersand sign. So now when you press enter, you can see the whole sentence, song love was sung by Susha Son in Lithuania in 2002, and then you can copy exactly the same thing for all other columns. Just double click on this fill handle and that's it. The sentence for all these are already framed. So this is how you combine data from different columns into one column. So it is up to you how you want to use. There can be different utilities in your business, in your Excel files with which you are working, but let me know in comments that if it is useful, and if you have any questions related to your Excel, if you are stuck somewhere, you're facing some errors or anything, just let me know in the comments and I'm going to show you the easiest and the simplest way to solve those issues. So thank you so much. If you like this video, hit the like button. Do not forget to share with your friends, colleagues, and consider subscribing to our channel for enhancing your Excel skills. Thank you and have a nice day.